The big breaking story coming in at the moment, an IPL player has reported a corrupt approach, putting BCCI's anti-corruption unit on high alert. It was an online attempt to befriend the player and he immediately reported it. In the absence of physical meetings, the chance of corruption is much less and is only limited to social media. That's the big story that we are getting at the moment. It's an IPL fixing alert. Boria Majumdar now joins us. Boria, what are we looking at really here? All the players go through very strict and stringent anti-corruption protocols, and from the report that is coming in, they immediately reported this to the BCCI as well. But what are we looking at exactly here?
Yeah, that's exactly the story. You know, Ajit Singh Shekhawat, the BCCI anti-corruption head, confirmed it. And the player immediately reported the approach by a so-called online corruptor. All of these people are on social media and active on social media, and they are encouraged to do so. So this online corruptor tried to befriend the player in a manner which was suspicious, and the player immediately reported it to the anti-corruption unit. So that the anti-corruption unit can thereafter go and track this so-called corruptor, you know, and take him out of the equation. That's where it is. The matter has been put to rest as far as the player is concerned, but on the part of the BCCI, they will investigate this possible online corruptor, go to the root of the matter, and obviously will be on high alert. Sports Radar, a company from the UK, has already been entrusted by the BCCI to look after integrity issues, and Ajit Singh is heading an 8-member BCCI committee in the UAE at this point in time to ensure that the IPL is corruption-free. The good point is the player reported it. The good point is the ACU has been, you know, already on the money as far as this is concerned. And the only thing is, in the absence of physical meetings, in a biobubble scenario, social media is the only domain where this can happen.
The chances of this, Boria, are rare because there is no physical presence as well, and the fraud detection services now will be looking at this matter comprehensively. How close is the BCCI at the moment of being able to, fix this and ensure that whoever the perpetrator is taken to task?
Very, very close. I mean, they're fairly in control. The BCCI immediately, sort of yesterday evening, said that they are in control. The player reported it. They were very happy about it. That, you know, the online training that the players have been given before the IPL, every player has been briefed by the ACU. That is coming good. The BCCI is in complete control of the situation, and nothing has become, you know, any untoward incident that has gone out of hand. That's not the case. So the matter has been sort of completely, how do I put it, in a controlled manner dealt with. And I actually don't envisage this to become anything significant from here on.
All right, Boria, thanks so much for joining us for the very latest. Who better than Boria to explain the situation much better? BCCI has this under control, and that is a relief to hear.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.